If your kitchen doesn't smell like gingerbread yet, it's about to. This old-fashioned gingerbread cake is a warm, cozy, and absolutely perfect dessert for December.
We'll start by combining the dry ingredients. We're going to use flour, brown sugar, and all those baking spices that have that warm Christmas flavor that just gives gingerbread that perfect taste. You know, this blend always makes me think of walking into a bakery at the holiday times. It's just something warm and cozy.
Just give that a quick mix to break up the brown sugar and blend those spices evenly. This is the foundation of that soft, old-fashioned gingerbread crumb.
Next, we're going to add the oil and the butter. This combination keeps your cake incredibly tender, helps keep it from drying out over the next few days. Gingerbread is supposed to be soft, and adding these two ingredients help guarantee that.
And here's the magic, molasses. This is what gives gingerbread that deep color and rich, nostalgic flavor. Once this hits that bowl, the whole kitchen starts to smell amazing.
And it did smell amazing.
I agree.
After we get that molasses mixed in, we'll whisk in the eggs and a generous amount of sour cream. That sour cream helps keep that cake crumb very soft, even velvety. And it helps keep it that way over the next few days. And once it's all mixed together, it comes into this thick, glossy batter that just looks like the holidays.
A splash of some hot water helps bloom the spices and smooth out the batter. It's a small step, but it makes all the spices really come alive.
Brings that flavor out. Just makes it, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, it really deepens the flavor.
Deepens is a good word. So once we've got that batter smooth, we're going to divide it into 3 pans because we're making a 3-layer cake. These layers are going to bake quickly and they're going to give the cake some real height. So just pour those into the pans, smooth out the tops, and they're ready for the oven.
So while the cake bakes, we're going to whip up a simple cream cheese frosting. Butter and cream cheese give it a rich base. To add in a little extra flavor, a little brown sugar is going to add in some warmth.
You could even add a little vanilla or cinnamon if you wanted a twist.
And then powdered sugar is going to bring it all together perfectly. This frosting pairs perfectly with gingerbread. Once those layers are completely cool, we're going to stack and frost the cake. 3 layers make this such a centerpiece dessert. The frosting spreads like a dream.
And for a little extra Christmas cheer, we're going to decorate it with gumdrops. This is a simple, colorful, and it fits gingerbread perfectly.
This cake is soft, spicy, and full of warm holiday flavor. It's the perfect December dessert. It's cozy, it's nostalgic, and it's so easy to make.
So don't forget to like, subscribe, do all the things. Even maybe make a comment.
Yeah, tell us. Do you like gingerbread? Do you like gumdrops?
Thanks for watching and check out this video next.
Bye.
Bye.